Text, Beltone HearMax app. How to use quick buttons. Logo, Beltone. Text, open the Beltone HearMax app. App Store and Google Play logos. Text, each program has individual quick buttons. Quick buttons are shortcuts to instant sound optimizations when you need them. A phone with app. Quick buttons are displayed on the program card just below the program name. A box highlights buttons. In the all-around program, noise filter and speech clarity quick buttons are available. A box highlights buttons. Tapping a quick button will activate it until you tap it again to deactivate it. An animated hand displays pushing the button. In a restaurant program, noise filter, speech focus, and hear everyone quick buttons are available. 3 buttons displayed. In an outdoor program, noise filter and speech clarity quick buttons are available. The quick buttons available in your app will depend on the programs created by your hearing care professional. Logo, Beltone. Learn more at www.beltone.com. Copyright 2017, GN Hearing Care Corporation. All rights reserved.